What's up, Pepping Squad? It's the girl right back with another video. Today I'll be doing another mukbang of what's this called? What's the name of this place?
Sister Sarah's.
Sister Sarah's. If anybody want to fix my intro, please text me because I need a new intro. And the girl who made my first one said she don't do it no more, and it costs $500 to do it, and it's a software and not an app. And you was not doing this. Okay, my sister over here trying to do an ASMR, and she didn't even show her plate. She didn't show her foods. She don't have no drink. She just got the plate on the other side of the camera. Nobody can't see what she eating. Nobody
you
know
got
what
half
she
of the plate, right? I have to
don't
wait till you're done.
Okay, go. But you could have told me to take my stuff. I could have took it.
Anywho.
Now she finna show.
Yeah, Valen. Anywho.
Oh, and I'm finna eat these with the scissors. I ain't even barely eat nothing yet. Okay. Yeah. Potato, 2 shrimps, half a sausage, cluster, 4 eggs.
What y'all got?
I'm finna get something to cook. I'm drinking this alcohol right now. Okay, if you want to wipe your hands with that, do so. Okay.
This right here.
What's
Best
right here?
place to, this right here.
Oh.
Best place to find the crab meat.
Not really. The best place. But it's a good place.
Shut up.
So are y'all like doing an ASMR
No,
video?
I'm doing a mukbang. She doing the ASMR.
You doing the ASMR?
She don't even got headphones and she want to do it. Oh, she do got headphones. But she want to do ASMR and then I'm doing my
Let her
video.
be.
So I'm going to be in the background talking. Because she don't like my background because she wants that.
You're talking too much, unnecessary.
No, I'm supposed to be talking.
We have to drop all this whole part.
What a crab cracker.
On top of that
Right
plastic
there.
bag right there.
Where? Y'all not using it?
No, I'm not.
Definitely
using
not.
Scissors. Oh, I wish we had the stuff to make beef sauce.
Sister
It be
Sarah's got
looking-
nice sauce.
It be looking so good. This sauce is good.
I literally just said that.
I didn't hear you. I wasn't probably in. I never ate crabs with scissors, so let's see if this even works. No, this ain't. That's not where it's at. What's the name of your channel, Sharita, so I could give you a shout out? Please. Because everybody on my channel call me Heavenly, and I'm not, that's not even a part of my name.
All right now.
Okay, this ain't working out. I don't even know what to talk about. Except for the fact that I have a whole Instagram that nobody wants to follow. I mean, I got a lot of followers today, but nobody wants to be active and just follow me.
Do you want to get in the video? The crab leg thing?
What's up? Say something. What's up, Heavenly Squad?
Psych, nigga, my baby daddy.
Mm.
I want child support.
Well, I hope I didn't cut this because I cut the last one. Yep, I cut it. I did
This is
it.
what I came out here for. My phone, this microphone. Where my phone?
I don't know. Dun, 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 dun.
Medea calling you.
Ooh. This is good.
I know what my phone is.
Already, I got $500.95. It was just at $123.33. Now it's $500.95.
Oof. Clean it out.
Ooh.
I'm trying to get food out this year, period.
Oh, snap. I think I still got it dirty. I should just wipe my hands.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. The way I grabbed it.
Like, relax.
Why you had told them people you made me, but you never did it. But my honesty. First thing I have to do in life is leave you. Excuse me. Ugh. Ooh, we just had snappers last night, and now we eating crabs and stuff.
So unhealthy for a drum major diet.
Girl, you ain't never go on the diet. What is you talking about, drum major diet?
I'm just saying, like, I might
She
have
was-
to start one soon.
She in this band, and they drum major quit or something, I think.
No, she got fired.
Well, the drum major got fired,
Well,
and
let's
they.
not talk about that on my YouTube.
Well, we're not going to then clip me out. You could, what's it called? You could turn down your background noises, but on certain ones. But so the drum major got fired, and they put my sister as drum major, and she was telling us from break, oh, when we go back to school, wait, oh, I'm finna start my diet. Sorry, you gotta help me. Don't let me eat nothing unhealthy. No more fast foods for me.
And you ain't helping.
I did. I told you when we went to Checkers. While
One
you
time,
sitting
the
there.
first day that I
no,
went.
no, because that was the day that you told me that you said you was gonna restart, and then you was like, "Oh, I'm so happy up there eating a burger and a 4 for 4," and she's like, "Oh, I'm so happy," and I'm like, "Ain't you supposed to be on the diet?"
Checkers got a 4 for 3, baby.
4 for 3. I'm like, "Aren't you on a diet?" And she was like, "Oh, yeah." Like, come on now. Why is it like this? I just want to eat it. I don't even know how to peel shrimp.
Oh yeah, that's one thing I say about sister that I don't like. They don't clean the shell off their fish,
I don't know how to peel
and I
shrimp.
bit right into one of them, not knowing this.
Oh, the legs. Oh. Okay, now that. Oh.
Alright, that's all for now. And we gonna sit here and watch this.
That's your outro? Alright, that's all for now.
Mhm.
Okay. Why you ain't finish your play?
Mm-hmm.
Non-YouTubers 101 happening over there. No intro, no outro. Cut the video before she even finished eating. I'm like,
Okay, you wanna start me another video?
how am I start you another video? I'm 10. Not even 10 minutes. Yes, I am. I'm 10 minutes in.
Oh, look at that.
Why you ain't recording?
I'm about to.
Oh my gosh. She is crazy.
Yeah. Okay, right. You feel me? This was like this, right? I did a whoop the whoop wop, and now, bam. You feel what I'm saying?
Oh, that's why you wanted that plate. You took all the sauce.
It's better for my ASMR than the mukbang, because you ain't got no headphones. You can't go to the headphones. You can't.
I could do it out there. Oh, that baby crying. I bought a fork just to eat with my hands. And this place was all the way in Fort Lauderdale. And me not even knowing that, I'm like, where y'all at? And then, no, I went outside and wanted to see if they was at least around the corner or something, pulling up in something or in a parking lot. And I go to my mom room. She said they all the way in Fort Lauderdale. So I called them like 10 minutes later, and they just leaving the place. I'm like, what? And I had only thing I ate today was, when I woke up, I had made Milo with some marshmallows. And then,
Why you made no cereal?
because that was empty, that's empty, and I don't even eat those. I only eat that one time. I made Milo with marshmallows. Then I had spicy noodle, hot and spicy ramen noodles. And then I had checkers. And then I had this. That's all I ate today. And I usually eat more.
You ain't know we had waffles or something?
Oh! I wish I knew. I'm trying not to cut it. I'm trying not to cut this thing off. Let me go from this side where I could see. Yes,
You see what I mean?
key. A key.
Ain't nothing funny about it. That's a luxurious thing right there.
I'm still learning, okay? I'm not a bee love. Oh! I'm so ugly. Well, I'm gonna get a toothache. Can't eat on that side.
Oh my gosh.
What, you got dip in there?
Huh?
Your headphones went in there?
Nah. I'm starting to get very full.
If you don't want it. You done?
No.
You got a lot more?
I got crab meat inside here, and on the tops.
I'm still gonna eat my cluster and these 3 legs. Ooh, that was a good one. It just got all over my arm.
Boom, check. Boom, check. Boom, check.
I never ate crochet. I said crochet.
Boom, check.
Crawfish.
Oh my god, I want to try that.
I do too.
They don't have crawfish as systems.
They have crawfish as crawfish.
I don't want Snappers crawfish. I don't know. After having Sister Sarah's, I'm just about to see if they want to make some crawfish. Because Snappers is good for women.
and fries, and probably they crabs too. Oh, watch me mess this one up.
Are your teeth really that weak that you can't just like bite it in half?
Yes, my teeth are very sensitive and very, very weak. If that's what you
let's
call
listen
them.
to my mukbang. I'm sorry, my ASMR.
Yes, cause this. Oh. Okay, if you can't move, my bad. I'm back because this ran out of storage. So, but I didn't eat nothing. Clearing out storage. Okay, that wasn't even correct. Oh my gosh, I just deleted a whole bunch of apps and all my pictures, and it ran out of storage in less than a minute. I hope this don't run out again. Cause I just gotta finish this. It's not even that much left, so just let me finish this. Alright, we still with this big one. Oh, I'm gonna try not to crack, like cut this one. Okay, that just hurt my fingers. Oh, my bad, I'm being so quiet. I don't know what to talk about. There's nothing really important going on in my life, but my 30K celebration. I've been planning this from 27K. I'm going to Aventura Mall with some friends, and then I'm going to Sky Zone with some friends. But it sounds boring, but it's gonna be fun. Trust me. And I'm blocking kids.
I'm not gonna do that.
Say hi. I'm eating this fat one that hurt my fingers.
Oh, that was so good.
Give yourself a shout out.
Y'all follow me on Instagram at He Craves Slim.
All the
Die after the He Craves, 2 S's, 1 M. No, 2 M's.
Okay.
Oh. And follow me on Snapchat, who is ML period.
Martin Luther.
Oh. You said Martin Luther.
Mm-hmm.
No.
I know what it means.
I know you know.
Don't say your name.
I wasn't. No, I got warrants, since you can't do that. Oh, it's right here. Hold on. What's
What's going on with the Wi-Fi? It's been acting up for the past couple of days. I keep jumping when I crack these because it's scary. I don't even be knowing when it, like, if it's gonna pop out, like, not pop out, like something gonna fly in my eye or something. That was my last thing. Now I'm gonna eat this cluster, and after I eat this, I'm done. Okay, let me show y'all what's this cluster. All right, that's all I put my face. And I'm allergic to seafood. But it's so good. Only thing that really getting me is shrimp. Oh, I never ate like a cluster this big, so slaughter her dog. Oh. Even though you're in the house don't mean that you're safe. I would say I'm moving fast don't mean that I'm moving weights. Okay, but for the people that so-called saying that even whoever say that, if anybody does say they're gonna make me a new intro, it gotta be real good and use the same song in that same part of this song. Oh, I'm messing up these pants. These are some good pants. Look at these pants. They high-waisted jeans. And I love high-waisted stuff. Follow me on Instagram at The Princess Show. I changed it from Lil Baby Riot because I felt like that was like ugly. I had changed it from Lil Baby Riot to Heavenly Riot, which is my YouTube channel name. But I seen this girl, shout out to her. Her Instagram was Princess TV _ I think. And it was a real pretty name. And I was like, you know, since my name means princess and I used to go by Princess and I'm still fame to go by Princess, it should be The Princess Show. If she got Princess TV and I got The Princess Show. And don't be saying that I'm copying her, because I didn't copy her. I just liked her Instagram name, and I thought it would be a good idea if I, like, you know, agree. Like, if I change my name to something similar to it, because I go by Princess. Not everybody call me Princess, but sometimes, you know, I used to get called Princess. As soon as I moved over here, everybody would ask me, what's your name? What's your name? And I would tell them Princess because that's what my name is. And I used to just go by Princess. Oh, you Princess friend. Oh, Princess is Princess. But I started telling people my real name, and nobody started calling me princess. So I'm finna just start going back by it. Whoever don't call me princess, I don't care. I haven't got to. It's been too long. Like, I'm in 7th grade. I done waited 2 years to tell people don't call me princess. I was called princess in 4th grade in the summertime, and then the beginning of 5th grade. After that, I started telling people my real name was Soraya. So nobody really called me princess no more after that, and now I'm just Soraya. And a lot of people love I don't know what it is, but my name must taste like strawberries and grapes, like, or whatever the good combination is. A good combination is, because people love talking about me. I don't even be bothering nobody. Like, I could be in my own world and somebody gotta say something about me, and then on top of that, they might not even be saying it in my face. They just go around spreading rumors. Like, that's even dumber. Like, you're not even bold enough to say something direct. But I'm not finna be getting in no drama. If you gonna talk about me, go ahead. Just don't touch me. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. Follow me on Instagram at The Princess Show.
Shawty curious.